Here Vine was sitting on the bed and JK was playing while his head was on Vine's lap. Vine was playing with his ears and they both were looking at each other in the eyes. JK, what are you looking at? Vine, looking at my world. JK was astonished with her reply and now he wanted more. JK, will you please elaborate? Vine rolled her eyes dramatically. JK, I dare you to do that again, dog. Vine chuckled and continued playing with his ears. Vine, well, you know, when I looked in your eyes, I always find love, care, passion, and care for me. JK, well, that's what I hold for you, JK said while looking at her. Vine, I know, and I was seeing this from starting, but always ignored it, but not anymore now. JK, yes, not anymore now. Vine leaned towards him and kissed on his forehead. JK, don't you think it was a wrong spot? Van chuckled and said, no, according to situation, it was a right spot. They both chuckled at that night. They both opened their hearts to each other, letting each other know what they feel for each other. Van was sitting in living area and JK was in room. After some time, JK came down and came towards Van and said, let's go. Van looked at him and said, where? JK, well, it's a surprise for my wifey, he said while smiling at her. Vine looked at him and smirked and said, so is my hubby taking me on a date? JK smiled at her and said, well, we can also go on a date, but before that, we have to go somewhere else. Vine, but where? JK, you will find it soon. Go and get ready. We have to leave now. Confusion was clearly on her face, but she went inside the room to change. After some time, she came downstairs and they both left the house. Now they were in the hospital, which got totally burned at the time when there was a blast, and JK saved Vine. JK knew how much Vine loved her job, and that's why, without having any second thought, he started building the hospital just as same as it was before. And now, when it was completely done, he came here with Vine. He wanted to surprise her, and he was sure that she will love his surprise. He made Vine sit in her chair, still blindfolded. Vine was continuously asking him to remove it. And now he finally removed her blindfold, and by looking at her surroundings, she was stunned and confused. Everything in her cabin was same as it was never even burned. She looked here and there, and JK was admiring her by looking at her expression. She finally looked at him for the explanation. JK, did my dog like her surprise? Van was too stunned to say anything, but she still said, how is it possible? I mean, Ben. JK chuckled at her reaction and said, well, who will know better than me that how much my dog loved her job? And just after the day of that incident, I started to work on this hospital. And now, yesterday, I got the call from the workers that it is completed. So here we are today, he said while looking at her. Vine stood up from her seat and went towards him and then hugged him tightly. JK smiled quietly. Vine, I love it. Thank you, JK. I literally love it. I thought I will never be able to come here. Saying that, she broke the hug and looked at him. Suddenly, the room of cabin got wide open and Jessie came inside. Jessie, hello, bestie. It's good to see you back. she said while approaching Vine. Vine looked at her and hugged her. Vine, it's good to see you too, Jess. Jess, I'm so happy for you. After that, Vine and JK decided to take a round at hospital as it was now owned by JK. After some time, they came at Kim's mansion as Vine wanted to meet her family. They all were here sitting together and talking. I'm so happy for both of you. It's great that you guys have sorted your matters by talk and now you are together. Mr. and Mrs. Kim nodded while Vine and JK looked at each other and smiled. Mr. Kim, yes, we are so happy for you both. Vine looked at JK and JK gave her a nod and then Vine looked at Mr. Kim and said, Vine, Dad, I'm sorry. Mr. Kim, daughter, why are you saying sorry? Vine, I know I've hurt you a lot with my words before and when you arranged my marriage with JK that time also, I didn't listen to you and misbehave. With you a lot, but you were thinking about my safety. Mr. Kim smiled and she hugged Ryan and said, Mr. Kim, don't say like that. I was also harsh on you, but now I'm happy for both of you. Suddenly, JK stand from his seat. Everyone looked at him. JK, I also want to say something. Everyone nodded and he told that JK, well, Mr. Kim and Han, I want to confess something. Jen, what? JK, well, I was the one who kidnapped Ryan and also I was the one who sent those people to threat Ryan by bullets. I'm sorry for what I did, but all that drama was to get Vine on my side because I love her a lot and I wanted her to be with me. He said and looked at everyone. They all were glaring at him, but suddenly they all started laughing. He got confused when Jen said, Jen, we all know that it was you. JK got shocked. JK, what? Who? Mr. Kim, you seriously think that we wouldn't be able to find out? Suddenly, Sugar came and said, I tracked you. That day when you said you will go and save Vine, Jin wanted to know Vine's location, so we got to know that you had kept Vine at your secret hidden base. And there we were sure that it was you. That's why everyone was so calm. And the time you talked with Mr. Kim, we were sure what was your reason behind all this. Vine and Jin Han told me all that when I called him to ask about you. He told me you all did that for me. JK was now getting embarrassed and Jin went and hugged him. Don't worry, we are not angry on you. They all smiled and rest for the evening went like that. JK and Vine came back at home and JK begged her Vine and said, Did I told you how much I love you? Vine got shy. JK, someone is blushing and I am proud because the reason is me. Vine turned to him and smiled at him. Vine, at least 10 times a day you told me that how much you love me. JK, and every time you blushed, he was smiling. JK, who will believe that I am the king of the dark world? Vine, and who said you are the king of the dark world? JK raised his eyebrows and looked at her. Vine, well, Mr. Mafia, you are no longer the king of the dark world. Now you are the king of the stock. JK smiled and nodded, and they both hugged each other.